And on we'll go.
Hey guys, welcome back to my video with Tony's phone collection. Today we're going to be unboxing this Motorola V262. This is with Alltel. Here's the left side. Here's the back side of the box. Some of the specs on it. Here's the right side. The front. The bottom, there's some warnings down there. And then obviously the top of the box. Opening it up, as you see someone wrote on here, I tried to clean up this box as much as I could, but here's the device. Inside you have your standard Motorola battery, I think. So I don't think it tells you the milliamp hours or anything. There's your standard battery, 3.6 volts I think it is. That's what I'm going to guess. Yeah, 3.6 volts. You have your typical Motorola of this era charging adapter. And you also have your very thick CDMA user guide. There's a little device right there. Alright, let's go put that in there. Grab our device and put the battery in it. Alrighty. On the front of the device, you have your front display. Actually, it's going to boot it up real quick. Alrighty. On the front, you have your front display. It lights up in white. Motorola logo. A nice blue texture. It used to be kind of a rubbery texture, but I cleaned it all off. You have your volume rockers on the side. You have a speaker key, I think it is, or a voice command key. I think it's a speaker on this side. You have your proprietary Motorola charging port and accessory port on the bottom. I'm going to guess that is your voice command key on the right side. On the top, you have a 2.5 millimeter, if I can pull it out without breaking it, 2.5 millimeter headphone jack. Lanyard strap and your pull-out antenna. Also have your rear speaker cutout on the back, Motorola logo. Opening up the device, you have a keypad. I can't remember where the sensor was to turn on the lights. There we go. Lights up in blue. It's a plastic keypad. Got the Alltel logo on the screen when it's open. Alrighty, I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and stay tuned for the next one.